Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to turn off blue light on your Windows PC. This will benefit your eyes and even your sleep. Start by clicking on the Windows icon and go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Next, choose System and Display. After that, just turn on Night Light and go to the Night Light settings. As you can see here, you can set the time to turn it on and off automatically. Beware, if night light is turned on, blue light will be turned off and the other way around. If you only want to turn off blue light at night, fill the hours in here. If you want to turn it off permanently, just click on Turn On Now and deselect Schedule Night Light. You can always come back and turn it off if you don't want it anymore. If you don't want to turn off blue light on your PC as it is a little bit less clear, you can always buy blue light glasses. I use blue light glasses, and I think that is an even better option, but that will cost you some money, of course. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.